What's up, dudes? It's a bit windy again. It's gonna be windy all week, so you guys kind of got to deal with that. I'm meeting with a subscriber here. He's in Lakeland, Florida. We're gonna go fish Lake Parker, and he lives, well, he doesn't live around here. He's here on vacation, but he's been here before. I guess they have a cottage down here, so see how we can do. Gonna rig up the boat, gonna grab the fish finder, install them. I'm gonna wait for him to get here, and we're gonna get fishing. Hopefully the bite is a bit better than yesterday, although yesterday we caught some good fish. Let's get at her. All right, we made it to the lake. Aaron's with me. Aaron's a subscriber. He follows me on Instagram and YouTube. What's your Instagram name?
Aaron Law 86.
Yeah, he's got some big fish on there. Big walleye, big steelhead. You're a big steelhead fisherman?
Big steelhead fisherman.
Yeah.
Love ice fishing.
Ice fishing.
Love it
big
all.
Winnie.
Opportunistic.
Yeah?
That's what I am.
You go lake trout on Simcoe?
Lake trout on Simcoe, whitefish, perch, pike.
Nice. Yeah, he's got really big fish on there. Good pictures. We're gonna get out here. I've never been here. He was here yesterday on kayak. And everybody we've been talking to in Florida, it's really tough. I mean, you know, it's high skies and it's cold. It's starting to get warmer. So we're gonna try to figure something out. I saw some heel grass at the ramp. We're gonna try maybe find some deeper heel grass and run some spinner baits through them. But regardless, you guys, I'm gonna have my chesty. You guys follow us. Peace. Pencil reeds. I like those. You find those on Georgian Bay on rocks, you're set.
Oh yeah, I found some nice little holes on Bay here, Bullseye Island.
Second pitch, a giant, bro. Oh my God! Bro. Oh my! It's right here.
Are you kidding me? You gotta be kidding.
Right here, bro.
With a carabiner? Yeah.
That's a toad. That's my PB right here. Woo! Yeah, baby! Second pitch.
How about that?
My God, it's not my PB, but it's close.
Yeah.
How heavy is that, you think?
6? That's over 6.
I don't know. She's beat.
Dude, I can't believe you just hit that for a second.
Wow. I just turned the camera.
Are you kidding?
First spot of the day. Second flip.
You bastard.
Look at his beast.
Yeah.
He's beat, eh?
Yeah. The fish I got yesterday, the bigger one.
Look at the eyes on that thing.
Well. Bulging. Okay.
All right.
Well, how's Parker?
Hey, Parker's good. It was worth the drive.
Right so far. How about that?
Thought it was a little guy. He's definitely beat. That's a good toad, man. That's over 5 for sure.
Yeah, that's a big fish.
All right, guys, we're gonna weigh that fish. See how much it weighs. I don't want to stress it too much. I put it in a live well. You know, that's a solid fish back home. It by Florida standard, by any means, not giant, but definitely a good fish. I'm gonna use Aaron's scale here. It's at 0. We're gonna do it quick. I'm not going through any gills. So that's a 5.6, 5.8. Yeah, so let's call it 5.5. Good fish. Beautiful fish. Well, I shouldn't say beautiful. Looked like a zombie fish. It's so beat up. See this? This is glued together. He's beat up here, but we're gonna put him back where we caught him. Take a couple pictures and we'll release him. Release her. She's been out of my hands for a while. There's alligators, but still, this fish it's old, you know. Gotta be nice with it. She's good to go. The wind's pushing us. The minute she kicks, here we go. Boom! Yeah, man, sick, bro. All right, we just saw an alligator. It's pretty big. That one's gotta be what? 5-6 feet long? It's a big one. Grabs a hold of your arm, it tears it up for sure. I'd like to fly the drone over it, see what he does. But I'm gonna take a couple pictures with it first. Hold on, boys. There he is. Try to make it through this. I don't know. It's pretty tight. Real tight, and there's not much water under us. There's probably spiders all over that shit. You get the left side, I got the right side. We pass through. Let's see if it pays off. We're at a new location. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna fly up the drone right now and you guys can see what we got. This is a fish management area in close to Orlando. It's pretty cool with all the channels, as you can see. We got a lot of wind out today, 40 miles gusting, you know, so we got out of a big lake. It wasn't really fishable where we wanted to fish in it, and Aaron mentioned this area it would be protected, so we got a lot of water to cover here. There's lots of shoreline, so hopefully we can get into some fish. And that drone footage is probably wicked right now. All right, let's get out there and get them, bud. What do you think?
Let's get them.
Aaron got hit by the sun pretty good today.
I am smoked.
Smoked salmon, smoked lake trout from Lake Simcoe. Let's go catch some bass.
What do you think that was?
Big old bass.
Yeah, that was a bass.
That was a big gator,
Oh
man.
my goodness. Did you see it?
I wonder if the camera picked it up.
I didn't see it. I just saw it. Good time to put on a different bait, I guess.
No, you need a spinner bait, bro.
I guess I need a new one. She go bye-bye.
You don't have another one?
It's yeah, no, I got some.
Big.
Oh my goodness.
I hope the gator doesn't get it.
Oh my goodness.
I don't know how well I stuck it.
Yeah,
Guys, we got a big one. That's about the same size as the one this morning.
it might be bigger.
I hope the gator doesn't get it. It's fighting hard. Get her out of there because the gator's coming. Nice. That's a good one, boys.
I don't know if it's
You're
bigger
still
than the
beat
last.
up, eh?
Yeah,
Like,
that one looks real beat up.
that one fought hard. It might be bigger, this one.
Yeah, it might be. Here, scales.
We
zero.
had to hurry up because there's a big 5-6 foot gator estimated, because we didn't see it, but it made a big splash. And I didn't want it to come eat this one. Woo! Bro, it's identical to the one I caught this morning. Weigh this one, it's at 0. Very quickly, you want to make sure nothing goes through the gill.
I bet you 5'9".
Nope, this one's tinier.
Really?
Yeah. 413 ounces. So she's almost 5.
Yeah.
She's just skinnier, right? Expected too. So she goes back. That's a big gator around here. Come on, girl, get out. Good job, bro. You were quick on the net on that one. I think it was that big. Then it ran to the boat.
Yeah.
I'm like, usually small fish don't. So this is what's been doing great for me in Florida. I'm stubborn with it, if you can ask Aaron. I've used this most of the day. I only got 2 bites on it. But the 2 bites we got, one was a high 4, almost 5 pounder, and the other bite was 5.5. So, I mean, do I keep going with this and getting big fish? Yesterday I got big fish on that one too. I mean, yeah.
Yeah, it's Florida, dude. You might like you want the big ones. Got nothing to lose. Giving her. He's still kind of accurate with the bait caster.
Yeah, man, that's good.
Learning a little bit again.
That's really tall too.
Oh, yeah. Fish.
Oh, that's a good one. Good job, bud. Yeah. Patience paid off.
Oh, buddy. Finally a big bite on the spinnerbait.
Aaron just got the spinnerbait dialed in. He lost his spinnerbait. I gave him a bait caster. I told him to change the blade. And he's super accurate with it. He's literally flipping with the spinnerbait and getting these pockets. That's good fish.
2.5,
Maybe 3.
maybe 3.
Look at the mouth on it.
Yeah.
You know, my fist almost fits in there.
It looks like it should be heavier.
It just spawned out, right?
Look, he's got some.
Yeah, marks. Spawning marks. She's just starting to eat again. You want a picture with it? Goes back in.
Live up by another day. Big old tongue. Full mouth.
Yeah, that's a 4-pounder all day, man. Full, you know?
Yeah.
All right, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for Aaron for taking me out for today. We're pretty beat up. We're gonna go out again tomorrow, so we're gonna go have some food, put some footage on the computer, and we will see you guys tomorrow.